Okay, so today we're going to look at multiplying terms with brackets, part 2. So what happens when there's a variable outside the bracket? So here we have an example where there's a variable outside the bracket. So what happens when there's a variable outside the bracket? Normally I'd use the loop method, but I'm just going to break it down for you here today. So we have 5x. We know we're going to multiply that just by x. And then we have plus 5x by 4. So when we see here, we have 5x by x. And remember, we said that when we have x by x, there's a little imaginary 1 on both of those. And when we have the same variable, we can just add the powers. So what we get then is 5x squared plus, and then we have 5x by 4. So that's going to give me 20x. And that's my final answer. Okay, so here's another example. And this time, our variables are actually different. So, again, let's just break it down. Using our little loops. So we know we're going to multiply 4a by b. And we're going to multiply 4a by 3. Then what we get is 4ab, because remember those two variables are very different, so when we multiply them we just put them beside each other. And 4a by 3, well, we can multiply 4 by 3 to give me 12a. And that's all. Okay, have a go with this example. So pause the video. When you're done, play the video and I'll go through the solution. Okay, so again, using my loop method, I have a by 2a and a by minus 3. So a by 2a minus a by 3. Okay, so a by 2a, remember, little 1 there, little 1 there. A by 2a gives me 2a squared by adding the powers. And then a by 3 gives me 3a. For the last example, I'm going to show you a little bit of a trickier one. So again, we have a variable outside the bracket, so we have x, and we're just going to multiply by each one of the terms here inside the bracket. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by doing my loops. So I have 2x by 3x squared. I have 2x by plus 2y, and then I'll have 2x by plus 3. So let's just go ahead and write all of those out. So I have 2x by 3x squared plus 2x by 2y plus 2x by 3. Okay, so again, remember your little 1 here. So 2x by 3x squared. Well, 2 by 3 we know gives us 6, so we always multiply the numbers in front of the x's first. We know that there'll be an x, and then when we add the powers in this, well, 1 plus 2 gives me 3, so that's 6x cubed. Then we have 2x by 2y. Well, 2 by 2 is 4, and x by y is just xy. Remember, we can't do anything with that. And then finally we have 2x by 3. Well, 2 by 3 is 6x. And that's my final answer on that. Okay, have a go at the questions in your homework folder.